a fun holiday story. This is one of my most favorite books called The Ninjabread Man. And so I hope you're at home snuggled with someone you love and you're ready to hear a wonderful story. Let's get to it. The Ninjabread Man. Once upon a time, there was a little old sensei who taught ninjas in a hidden dojo. The group trained hard to be the strongest, the fastest, the smartest, and the sneakiest ninjas in all the land. Sensei was very proud of his students. Look at all those cool moves they're doing. So proud that one night he made them a special treat. Ninja bread. Have you ever heard of ninja bread before? Oh my golly. Ninja bread was an age-old recipe passed down from sensei to sensei. It took a lifetime to master. Oh my gosh, a lifetime, that's a very long time. Once baked, the cookies contained many mysterious powers. Ooh. They were also dangerously delicious. Sensei mixed the batter and rolled the dough and shaped the ninja bread into a tiny sword and throwing stars. Then Sensei crafted a ninjabread man. Once done, he carefully placed the tray in the oven. Boy, this is making me hungry. I might have to have a cookie. Finally, Sensei opened the oven door to check on the ninja bread. He's being very careful. He wants to see, is it done yet? Check on the ninja bread. Kapow! Out leaped the Ninjabread Man, alive and kicking. What in the world? The Ninjabread Man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sensei was surprised to hear the cookie speak. The time has come to test your students. Now they must try as best they can. They can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. With a crack and a flash, the Ninjabread Man disappeared into a cloud of sugar dust. Sensei sounded the gong as a warning to his ninjas. Tonight, they face the greatest challenge of their lives. Ninja Bear was balancing on one finger when he heard the gong. Suddenly, a sweet scent filled the night air. Danger was near. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night, and I'll defeat you too. I can. What do you think? Make a prediction. Do you think that he's going to beat him? Let's find out. Ninjabread Man, shouted Ninja Bear. You will make a mighty morsel. With a running roar, Ninja Bear charged, but the Ninjabread Man jumped out of the way, and Ninja Bear lost his balance. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Bear, but the cookie had disappeared. He's off to the next person, it looks like. Ninja Snake was throwing stars in the forest when she sensed Sensei's warning. The bamboo swayed in the wind. Danger was near. Suddenly, a cookie figure stood before her and announced, Try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. And I'll defeat you too. I can. What do you think? You think I might win? Ninjabread Man, hiss Ninja Snake. You will make a super snack. With a flick, flick switch, Ninja Snake launched her throwing stars. But the Ninjabread Man was too fast. He launched a cookie star ninja attack of his own. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Snake. But the cookie had disappeared. Let's see what happens next. So Ninja Mouse was training with his sword when the warning gong rang. Ninja Mouse heard someone tiptoeing around. Danger was near. In the blink of an eye, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try, as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake in a throwing star fight. And I'll defeat you too. I can. Ninjabread Man, squeaked Ninja Mouse. You will make a nice nibble. Ninja Mouse sprang forward, but the Ninjabread Man tricked the mighty mouse. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Mouse, but the cookie had disappeared. I think Ninjabread Man is feeling pretty good about himself, huh? Ninja Fox was sitting beside the great waterfall. He did not hear Sensei's warning. Ninja Fox gently hummed. I sense something dangerously delicious. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too. I can. Oh no. Who can take care of this Ninjabread Man? I'm sorry, said Ninja Fox. I didn't hear you. What did you say? The Ninjabread Man stepped closer and repeated, Try as best as you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you. I can. I'm so sorry, said Ninja Fox, pretending he could not hear the cookie. The waterfall is so loud. What did you say? The Ninjabread Man took one final step closer. What do you think might happen next? Let's see. Following one quick movement, a cloud of sugar dust covered Ninja Fox. Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, and Ninja Mouse came running out of the forest to find Ninja Fox. Was the Ninjabread Man gone? Let's see. Far away in another hidden dojo, a little old sensei worked under the mystical moon, mixing and rolling and shaping a Ninjabread Man. And that is the end of our story. Oh my gosh, someone better tell that sensei. That Ninjabread Man is someone to watch out for. So I hope that you enjoyed this story. And I have one more surprise for you if you stick around. Hi everybody, it's Miss Cavallo here. This is my dad, and we are going to sing a holiday tune for you, Frosty the Snowman. So I hope you enjoy and have a happy holiday. Okay, here you go. Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. Must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Thumpity thump thump thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity thump thump thumpity thump thump, over the hills of snow. Frosty the Snowman knew the sun was hot that day, so he said, let's run and we'll have some fun right before I melt away. Down to the villain with a broomstick in his hand, running here and there all around the square, saying, catch